This is a facility that is focused on performing fundamental chemistry, material science, and computing work under one roof that is aimed at addressing some of America's clean energy challenges.
The biggest challenge really is finding a better way to harvest the energy that's in nature, that's a lot more available than what we currently are using, and do so in a sustainable manner.
If you try to understand the complexity of nature, you will discover phenomena, you will discover ways in which matter changes and which energy and matter are interconverted that puzzles you and that fascinates you every day anew.
One of the big problems that we're working on is how to store energy, store intermittent sources like wind and solar on fuels, and then how to harvest that energy from those fuels. So one of the big problems I work on is ammonia oxidation, and another that I work on is how to store hydrogen in a way that makes it easier to transport.
Like a lot of these pipelines and storage containers are made of steel. So when hydrogen reacts with steel, it has been known that it actually really makes it very brittle. But we don't know exactly why that happens. Where my research comes in is figuring out when hydrogen interacts with steels, really understanding at the atomic scale how the failure can occur.
My research is focused on material sciences, especially developing materials for the next generation batteries. Energy sciences capability building is offering a new level of capability and expertise to our research. It's going to give us a new way of looking into a material.
Quantum computing will definitely revolutionize the field of computational chemistry. The ability of generating the accurate results will definitely open us up for a new research in the energy area, energy storage, and energy transformation processes.
The Energy Science Center is going to provide a really great opportunity for collaborative efforts, both from the computational work that's done at PNNL as well as the experimental physical science work that's going to be done at the new lab spaces that are developed there.
You know, the ability to be in the same building and really just run into each other in the halls is really exciting for me.
The close proximity facilitates gradually learning how the own contribution and the own field is important to solve a problem.
The fundamental knowledge that these sciences provide allow us to then actually bring to market technologies that are applicable and are making our energy cleaner, cheaper, more accessible.
I'm optimistic about the world's energy future because if one thing is characteristic of humans, is we always find a solution.